day in Seattle, Washington State, not D.C.
Detective Jones, we've got a 1031 shoot.
What's wrong?
It seems the Starbucks coffee factory was robbed by a bunch of hipsters.
Starbucks, our city's drink.
They were last seen between the Space Needle and that outdoor fish line that everyone goes to when they throw the fish around for some reason.
I think we call it Fisherman's Wharf. Where are they?
We gotta shoot up, we gotta go.
All right, let's go.
Put your guns down and get upon a Starbucks going. I got one of the hipsters right here.
Detective, this is our investigation.
I thought I told you. I don't play by the rules. Or didn't you understand me on account of my thick Seattletonian accent? Alright, better fess up, or you're headed to the city's jail, Seattle jail. Seattle jail. They don't got no Patagonia.
Hey, I'll tell you everything you need to know, okay? The coffee shop, it was just a diversion. The real target was the Museum of Popular Culture.
The Museum of Popular Culture?
Yes, just in case anyone wants to know more. The Museum of Popular Culture, otherwise known as MoPOW, is a non-profit organization that is... It was founded in 2000 by Microsoft CEO Paul Allen as part of the Experience Music Project. This Wikipedia article was dedicated and last edited in February 23rd, 2019. Okay, that's all I know, I swear to God.
Damn. We need to go to the Museum of Popular Culture now.
It's too late.
No, we're not.
Tammy Frazier.
I accepted these delinquents trying to rob the Museum of Pop Culture. Judging by the shoddiness of their work, they must be Yale alumni like my brother Niles.
I don't know what to do with those touchdowns. They're calling again.
Hey, how about Starbucks for everyone?
Yeah.
You know there's nothing we love in Seattle more than Starbucks, except for our sports teams. Okay, let's go!
Seattle Seahawks, NFL. Seattle Mariners, MLB. Seattle Sounders, MLS. These are the three biggest sports teams in Seattle. Thank you for visiting cityfacts.com. Thumbs up sign 24. Thumbs down sign 57. Cheers.
That's a show I was on.
Officers, there's been a crawfish heist on Bourbon Street. The perps got away because of how it's Mardi Gras right now. Oh, am I in the wrong city?
You're looking for New Orleans. That's west of here.
Okay, my bad.